Hello my dear friends, today I'll show you the strategy for traders from India. Why India? Because this shows real good results. So enjoy the video and we'll start our trading session. So we're already on the pocket option. We'll start trading. Our balance is $17,700. We'll see. Remember this figure because it will increase the time of our deal. Will be exactly 1 minute. The amount of our deals will be $150. Just use the currency pass. 1 minute time frame. The first indicator for traders from India, moving average, and you see these parameters. And the second indicator you'll see on the screen. So I tested it with my team, and you'll see I'll demonstrate it specifically for you. So now you'll see a review from a student from India, and you'll see this is true. So here we are on the pocket option, and immediately switching to the first cast, we are opening down. I'll tell you why. We'll also use here two indicators and my technical analysis. Uptrend, an important parameter of technical analysis is the resistance zone. So we see some reversal in most cases, and here we have a fairly large resistance zone because there was a fairly strong volume of upward traffic. So the chart was all going up and then turned around sharply. I'm now showing you the shadow from which there was already a rollback, but still is not completed. 19 seconds left. I remind you that this tactic is the best. So this is for binary options, specifically in India. According to this statistic, the strategy tactic works best there. This is ideal to start trading if you are from India. Yeah, last deal we see our balance is increased. Good. Our deal for $150. And we move on to the second concept. We continue our trading session. We are on the second concept. We go up and we start our analysis. The global trend is upward. Highlight this, and we look at the moving average. You go to top. So it goes to top. So of course we have a small rollback, but I noticed that we see global upward trend. We see these points. Upward trend. We currently have dear traders. If you're struggling to understand trading indicators or disappointed with the results, you're probably losing money. My free trading team is here to help you. Every day I share trading signals that you can copy manually or automatically by connecting to my social trading. I'm always ready to help you at every step. If you need to make $50 or even more, $1,000 per day, join my Telegram group now then, and you'll find interesting stories of new buys and real results. The number of places is limited, so do not miss the chance. Join today and start your profitable trading. And we have 24 seconds left. I'll tell you about some small bonus. It's social trading. If you didn't know about it, or also I'll quickly explain. It's my account. You'll just copy my ID. You can text me to my private messages, just plus social trading. And yeah, we see our profit is 133. Good. By the chart we see plus DL. So you go to my Telegram channel. It's for free, absolutely for free for the first couple of days. Then you text me to my private messages plus social trading. I'll send you my ID. You register on the pocket option, make my ID, and that's it. It's happened automatically, so it's very easy, very convenient, very simple. Just text me, and the link to my Telegram channel is in the description. So what more to say? It's very easy, as I said, and don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So we go on, and don't forget that it's absolutely for free. We see down deal here we opened by the general trend and by moving average. So we see two slidings downward trend we see on our chart and our situation. We see bearish trend, and of course you can find in my Telegram channel my signals. You can copy it with a explanation how I explain it. You can see many useful information, not only social trading. So it broadcasted to my Telegram channel all the videos from my YouTube, and the access to it absolutely for free for the first couple of days. I remind it to you. Yeah, we see plus $18,000. Good result. I remind you, we move on to the next concept pair. So I tested this strategy a lot with my team and I, my friends from India. So we see, look up and down. It's quite simple. I see the situation. For more detailed picture, I draw the direction of the indicator. Most likely it will go into an upward trend. We see just jump is happening. Great, we close to the resistance area. We see, and we see some peak, and until the end 16 seconds left. Easy, the easiest possible deal, I would say, from out of 4. Yeah, I want to say the deal approximately 90% good results plus deal, so to say. So just watch my videos and other videos to see how to earn money. So the success rate of our deals is 90%, as I said. And so I'll finish our video for today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.